If we now open our email.php file, which you'll find inside of the library SSD folder, because we have removed PHP mailer, we can remove this require once from the top of the file. We are going to be using Zend framework now. We're going to start with a namespace to indicate obviously what namespace this email class belongs to, and it's obviously SSD. After this, we're going to use, and we're going for Zend this time, mail, and then we have message, which is one of the classes. Then use Zend, we're going to go for mail again, and then we have transport, and after transport we have send mail, and we're going to use it as send mail transport. Then use Zend mail, and we go for transport again, transport, and then /smtp, smtp transport. Then we go for use Zend, again mail, we go for transport, and then we need smtp options class. Then we go for another one, Zend mail, sorry, this time not mail but mime, and we go for the message as mime message, and then we go for use Zend mime again, and this time it's going to be part as mime part. So this is all we need inside of this class. Now we go for the properties. If I scroll up a little bit, we keep in the public object URL. Then we go for the private object rather than mailer. We're obviously starting with the underscore because it's a private one. Object message. Then we go for another private object transport. Then we go for another private underscore use smtp, and we assign the value of our constant smtp underscore use, which we have defined in our config file. Then we go for the private again, underscore smtp host equals, again, smtp underscore host. Then we go for private underscore smtp username equals smtp username. Then private underscore smtp password, smtp underscore password. Private underscore smtp port equals smtp underscore port. Then we have another private underscore smtp ssl equals smtp ssl. And the last one will be the constant. And the classes constant we define by using the keyword const, and then capital letters email underscore admin, which will simply equal info@ssdtutorials.com. So that's our properties and a constant. We've obviously used all of the Zend components that we're going to be using in this class. We can now move to the next video.